stop. Pause this video right now and go grab a glass of warm water from your kitchen. I'm serious. Because what I'm about to share won't work if you just sit there and listen. You have to do something with it. After more than 40 years working with men over 60, I've learned one hard truth. Information alone doesn't change your body. Action does. I didn't always believe that. In fact, there was a moment that completely changed how I look at men's health. A 65-year-old patient sat across from me, healthy on paper, no major disease, but he looked exhausted. He told me he avoided his wife at night, not because he didn't love her, but because his body just didn't respond anymore. Low energy in the morning, heavy legs during the day, and at night, nothing. And I remember thinking, I've seen this too many times. So I did what most doctors do. I tried everything. Supplements, circulation boosters, even mild prescriptions. Some worked for a few days. Most didn't last, and honestly, that bothered me more than it bothered him, because deep down, I knew we were missing something. Then something unexpected happened. Not in a lab, not in a study, right in my own routine. I started noticing how small changes in the body's internal balance, especially acidity and blood flow, were quietly controlling everything. Not hormones, not age, something deeper. And what surprised me the most was how many people completely misunderstand this part. That's when things shifted for me. I stopped asking, how do we stimulate the body, and started asking, what's blocking it in the first place? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method, something that takes less than 5 minutes, uses what you already have at home, and targets that hidden mechanism most men ignore. I'll break it down step by step, what to do, what to avoid, and why it works when other things don't. Stay with me because the last part is where most men finally get it right. And number 5 is the one I almost ignored at first. Honestly, it seemed too simple to matter, but in the end, it made the biggest difference. If you're wondering where this method comes from and why it works the way it does, I've left more details down in the description below. Before we go any further, I want to ask you something quick. How old are you? Just drop your age in the comments. I read them, all of them, and it really helps me understand who I'm talking to. All right, now let's get into the first step. 1. The hidden problem men over 60 don't talk about. Let me show you something simple you can try right now, and most men completely overlook it. Go to your kitchen, take a glass of warm water, add just a tiny pinch of baking soda, stir it, and take a slow sip. That's it. It sounds almost too basic to matter, I know, but what surprised me over the years is how something this small can quietly influence how your body feels, especially after 60. Here's what's really going on underneath. As men get older, the body tends to shift slightly toward a more acidic state. Not dramatically, but enough to affect how your blood flows and how your muscles respond. When that happens, circulation slows down, oxygen delivery drops, and tissues, especially the ones that rely on steady blood flow, don't function the way they used to. This is why many men tell me they feel fine mentally but physically. Something just isn't responding. Now, baking soda works as a natural buffer. It helps neutralize that mild acidity, which can support better blood flow and reduce that heavy feeling in the body. When circulation improves, even slightly, two things often happen at the same time. Energy levels become more stable and physical responsiveness starts to come back. That dual effect, more energy during the day and better function at night, is what most men are really looking for, even if they don't say it out loud. There have been small clinical observations showing that improving acid-base balance can enhance exercise performance and reduce fatigue markers by around 10 to 15%, and when combined with ingredients that support nitric oxide, like beetroot, blood flow improvements can reach closer to 20%. Now, this isn't about turning back the clock overnight, it's about removing a quiet blockage that builds up over time and slowly limits how your body performs. If you're going to try this, keep it simple. Use only a small pinch, never a full teaspoon, mixed in warm water, and drink it no more than 2 to 3 times per week, ideally in the evening when your body is winding down. Don't expect instant results on day 1, but over 1 to 2 weeks, many men start noticing they feel lighter, less sluggish, and more awake in their body again. But here's the part most people miss. This alone is not what creates the biggest change. There's another factor, often ignored, that determines whether this works at all, and that's exactly what I'll show you next. 2. The common mistake that makes everything worse. Let me show you the mistake most men make, and you might recognize yourself in this. They try to fix low energy or poor performance by adding more stimulation, strong coffee, quick-acting pills, or random supplements, thinking the body just needs a push. But here's the problem. When your circulation and internal balance are already struggling, pushing harder doesn't fix it. It actually creates more strain beneath the surface. From both traditional medicine and modern physiology, we see the same pattern. In traditional systems, this would be described as overheating the system while the foundation is weak, and in modern terms, it comes down to vascular stress and nitric oxide depletion. When you overstimulate the body, you get a temporary spike, but you also increase oxidative stress, which can reduce nitric oxide availability by up to 20%, making blood vessels less responsive over time. That means the more you rely on stimulation, the less your body responds naturally. Now here's where it gets more interesting. When you combine a buffering agent like baking soda with a natural circulatory activator like ginger, you create a synergistic effect. Baking soda helps stabilize the internal environment, while ginger stimulates blood flow and improves endothelial function, and studies have shown ginger can enhance circulation efficiency by around 15% and reduce inflammatory markers linked to vascular stiffness. Together, they don't just add benefits, they amplify each other, creating a smoother, more sustainable response in the body. But if you use them the wrong way, you lose that advantage. So here's exactly how to start, especially if you're new. Begin with a small onboarding phase. For the first 3 days, use only a pinch of baking soda in warm water, no more than once every other day, just to let your body adjust. Then, starting day 4, add 1/4 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or a small pinch of ginger powder, mix well, and drink it in the evening about 60 minutes before sleep, when your body is most receptive to recovery and circulation shifts. There are also risks you need to respect. If you already have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or you're taking blood thinners, overstimulation or incorrect dosing can backfire, leading to fluid imbalance or added strain on your system. That's why going slow at the beginning is not optional. It's part of making this work safely and effectively over time. And here's what most people still don't realize. Even this combination is not the full picture. There's one more layer, a missing piece that determines whether your body actually uses that improved circulation. And that's where things start to change in a much deeper way. 3. The one thing in your kitchen that changes everything. Now here's where things start to move faster, and this is the part most men underestimate. If I had to point to one ingredient that creates a noticeable shift in just a few hours, it wouldn't be baking soda, it would be beetroot. Specifically, the natural nitrates inside beetroot, because once they enter your body, they begin a very simple but powerful process that directly affects blood flow. Here's how it works, and I'll keep it simple. The nitrates from beetroot get converted into nitric oxide in your body, and nitric oxide is what tells your blood vessels to relax and open up. When that happens, circulation improves almost immediately, meaning more oxygen, more nutrients, and better responsiveness where it matters most. That's why some men notice a difference not in weeks, but within hours of taking it. And this isn't just theory. There are controlled studies showing that beetroot supplementation can increase blood flow efficiency by up to 20 to 25% within 2 to 3 hours after consumption and improve exercise endurance by around 16% in the same window. Another set of observations found that nitric oxide levels rise significantly after a single dose, leading to measurable improvements in vascular flexibility in less than a day. So what you're dealing with here is not a slow buildup alone. You're getting both immediate and cumulative effects. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. I don't like the taste, or it feels a bit strong on my stomach. That's normal. In fact, that slight warmth or mild discomfort some people feel at first is often just your circulation responding and your body adjusting. It's not a bad sign. It's feedback that something is actually happening inside. Here's exactly how to use it. Take 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder or half a small fresh beetroot, mix it with warm water and drink it about 60 to 90 minutes before sleep or before any planned activity. If you're new, start with half that amount for the first 2 to 3 days, then increase gradually as your body adapts. Consistency matters here, but you don't need to overdo it. 3 to 4 times per week is enough to build both short-term response and long-term improvement. And when you combine this with the buffering effect we talked about earlier, something interesting happens. But even that combination is still not the full mechanism. Because improving blood flow is only one side of the equation, the real shift happens when your body learns how to use that flow more efficiently, and that's exactly what we're about to uncover next. 4. The real mechanism. Simple, but deeper than you think. This might sound a little unusual at first, but stay with me. One of the most overlooked ways to unlock better circulation is not just what you drink, but how your body activates it through carbon dioxide tolerance. Yes, carbon dioxide, the thing most people think is just waste, actually plays a key role in how oxygen is released into your tissues. Here's the deeper mechanism in simple terms. When nitric oxide from beetroot opens up your blood vessels, that improves flow, but it doesn't guarantee oxygen is delivered efficiently. That's where carbon dioxide comes in, through something called the Bohr effect, which helps hemoglobin release oxygen exactly where it's needed. In other words, nitric oxide opens the highways, but carbon dioxide tells the oxygen when to exit the vehicle and enter the tissue. Now here's why this matters for men over 60. As you age, your tolerance to carbon dioxide often drops, especially if you breathe shallow or too fast, which limits oxygen delivery at the microcirculation level. That's when you start noticing things like cold hands, numbness, slower recovery, or a delayed physical response even when blood flow seems okay. Studies have shown that improving CO2 tolerance can enhance oxygen delivery efficiency by up to 15%, while nitric oxide support can increase vascular dilation by over 20%, and together they impact both large blood flow and the tiny capillaries that actually feed your tissues. So here's a simple way to start activating this mechanism. After drinking your mixture in the evening, sit down, breathe slowly through your nose, and gently extend your exhale for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping your breathing calm and controlled. For beginners, start with just 3 minutes and build up gradually over a week, allowing your body to adapt without discomfort. Doing this about 45 to 60 minutes before sleep helps your system shift into a state where circulation and oxygen delivery are optimized together. There are a few things to keep in mind. Don't force your breathing or hold your breath aggressively, especially if you have cardiovascular conditions, and always stay within a comfortable range. Also, avoid cold drinks during this process, as warmth supports better vascular response and absorption. And here's the part most people never connect. Even if you improve blood flow and oxygen delivery, there is still one final trigger that determines whether your body actually responds the way you want it to. This last piece is the strongest one, and it's where everything finally comes together. 5. The 5-minute method, where everything comes together. This might sound a little intense at first, but this is where the real shift happens. Instead of just drinking the mixture and walking away, I want you to actively guide where that blood flow goes, using one key compound your body already produces, nitric oxide. The difference here is not just creating it, but timing it, amplifying it, and directing it when your body is most responsive. Here's the deeper process, and I'll keep it simple. When you take in nitrates from beetroot, your body converts them into nitric oxide, which relaxes your blood vessels and increases overall circulation. But when you combine that with warmth, gentle breathing, and light movement, you trigger additional mediators like cyclic GMP, which strengthens and prolongs that dilation effect, allowing blood to reach not just major vessels, but also the smallest capillaries where real function happens. This is why some men experience cold extremities, numbness, or slow recovery even when they think their circulation is fine, because large blood flow alone is not enough without microcirculation. Studies have shown that nitric oxide pathways can improve endothelial function by over 20%, while combining it with mild thermal exposure, like warm fluids, can enhance peripheral circulation efficiency by another 15% within a short window. Together, this creates both immediate flow and deeper tissue activation. So here's exactly how to do this in under 5 minutes. First, prepare your drink with warm, not hot, water. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, a small pinch of baking soda, and a small amount of ginger, then stir thoroughly. Drink it slowly, not all at once, and immediately after, sit or stand comfortably and do 2 to 3 minutes of slow nasal breathing, followed by 1 to 2 minutes of light movement like gentle walking or shifting your weight, just enough to encourage circulation without strain. If you're new, start with half the beetroot dose for the first few days, then gradually increase as your body adapts, and always keep the baking soda minimal. The best time to do this is in the evening, about 60 minutes before rest or any planned activity, when your body is naturally transitioning and more sensitive to these signals. One important note: if you feel slight warmth, tingling, or even a mild flush, that's usually a sign your circulation is responding, not something to fear. But if you have uncontrolled blood pressure, kidney conditions, or are on medication, you should check with your doctor before trying this. And now we arrive at the final piece. Because even with all of this working together, there is still one trigger that determines whether your body fully responds, and this last one is the most powerful of all. 6. Real results, timeline, and safety, the missing piece most men overlook. Now let me be very clear, this is not just another tip. This is the piece that ties everything together and in many cases makes the biggest long-term difference. The compound I'm talking about here is L-citrulline, naturally found in foods like watermelon, and what makes it unique is how efficiently it converts into L-arginine in your body, which then boosts nitric oxide in a more sustained way than most quick fixes. Think of it like this. If beetroot opens the door, L-citrulline keeps it open longer so the system can actually function the way it's supposed to. What makes this even more interesting is how it compares to conventional approaches. Some clinical data has shown that consistent L-citrulline intake can improve blood flow and vascular function by over 30%, and in certain cases, improve performance markers in a way that approaches low-dose pharmaceutical support, but without forcing the system. Another observation found improvements in endothelial health and circulation sustainability within 2 to 4 weeks, which is exactly the window where many men begin to feel a real shift in their body, not just a temporary boost. Here's how to prepare and use it properly. If you're using natural sources, take about 1 to 2 cups of fresh watermelon, preferably at room temperature, not cold, because extreme cold can reduce absorption efficiency. If you're using a powdered form, start with around 1.5 grams per day for the first week, taken in the evening, then gradually increase to 3 grams as your body adapts. The key here is consistency. This is not a one-time trick, it's a daily signal you give your body to rebuild its natural response. Now let's talk about what you can realistically expect. In the first week, most men notice better hydration and slightly improved energy. By week 2, circulation begins to feel more stable, and by weeks 3 to 4, that's when confidence starts to return because the response becomes more reliable. And yes, it's slower than a pill, but it's also building something underneath that doesn't disappear overnight. The best part is, this is simple, affordable, and accessible. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines, just a consistent habit that works with your body instead of against it. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about forcing a reaction, it's about restoring a system, naturally, steadily, and in a way that actually lasts. If this helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. I'll keep breaking down simple, science-based methods to improve circulation, energy, and performance after 60, No guesswork, no hype. Thanks for spending this time with me and take care of your body starting today.